Hello ladies and gentlemen, another what the fuck, episode 37 on the 15th of the 11th 2022, and I'm finding it hard to keep up with all the what the fucks in the world, and I'd actually like to get educated on this because I really I'm losing track of what the fuck is going on. So my what the fuck is the cruise ship that just docked in Sydney and 800 COVID positives. So they've all been vaccinated. So how the fuck are they still getting COVID? I thought it was supposed to, stop it or reduce the transmission. It's not really a good reduction, is it? If 800 people have got COVID, is it really reducing it? Doesn't sound like it to me. But then you're going to go to me, but it's a new variant. Well, I don't know if I'd actually like to know, is it a new variant that they've got? Are they going to claim it's a new variant? And if so, then why the fuck are you still getting fucking double boosted? Makes no fucking sense. Just another. Please share your comments because I'd like you to explain it to me how these people have still got COVID. They're vaxxed. And just a quick follow up on that cruise ship. Someone commented that they were working at the Brisbane docks in the entertainment area, and the people they talked to basically said, the passengers said that they tested positive, but nearly nobody's got any symptoms. What the fuck? So I was reading an article on it just now, and it says the passengers had mild symptoms to asymptomatic. So asymptomatic is you can test and it doesn't show up. Is that right? You can test and it won't show up, and you don't have any symptoms. So it's like you haven't got it. So yeah, that's all fucking bullshit. And also subscribe to me on Rumble. Forget YouTube, they shut me down and they took away my monetization anyway. So fuck them. Thanks guys, and stay safe. Vaccinated or unvaccinated, I don't give a shit.